Let's look at a key case in criminal law for the area of coincidence of actus reus and mens rea. The case is Fagan and Metropolitan Police Commissioner, and the case was heard in 1968. This case concerned a defendant who was driving along when a police officer asked for him to pull over. The defendant duly did so, and the officer indicated that he was not really close enough to the curb and asked him to move closer. When the defendant did move the car, he accidentally parked the car on the police officer's foot. When the police officer asked him to move, the defendant refused to move and switched the engine off, so his car remained on the police officer's foot. Eventually, the defendant did reverse the car to remove it from the officer's foot. The defence claimed there was no offence committed here, as the actus reus was complete, driving onto the officer's foot, before the mens rea was evident of him refusing to move the car. In this matter, the defendant was found guilty, as although the actus reus and mens rea were distinct, driving on the officer's foot was distinct from the mens rea when he forms the guilty mind to not remove the car from the officer's foot. There still was guilt found under the principle of the continuing act. Although actus reus and mens rea should occur at the same time, actus reus can continue throughout an action, so there's no requirement that the mens rea is also present at the start of the actus reus. It's just enough that the mens rea is evident at some point. So it was evident at some point here when the actus reus had occurred and the defendant would not remove the car from the officer's foot. This case can be used when looking at actus reus and mens rea. Of course, you have to establish both in criminal law, and you'll be doing that in your exam answers. So you'll have an authority for actus reus, you'll have an authority for mens rea. And here, Fagan can be used as the authority to look at the continuing actus reus rule, the coincidence or contemporaneity rule as it is known, so that when the actus reus is committed and it's argued that the mens rea is not present, the court can hold that the actus reus continues until such time as the mens rea occurs, so the two coincide so that guilt can still be found.